Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's asynchronous lesson. It's Health Day today, and we are going to continue talking about nutrients and the things that your body needs to be healthy. All right, you've already found the first link. Here we are with your introduction to the lesson. Talk a little bit about what the lesson's going to look like today. Be sure you do all of the links. There are 6 total. When you go to link number 2 after we finish up here, you will find 3 very short health videos talking about today's healthy nutrient, and that is water, the water that you find in food, and why it's so valuable and so important that you stay hydrated and have enough water in your body. The third link will be your warm up. We'll do a fun short warm up with Mrs. L and Mrs. B. They will take you through a quick hit warm up, go through a few exercises, get those muscles moving and your heart pumping, ready for your main activity, which will be the next link, and that is your A to Z vocabulary words. We'll talk about some vocabulary words and you will spell them out using your A to Z exercise chart, spelling out those vocabulary words for today's health lesson. After that great workout, you'll do a cool down with the folks from Fitness Blender, take you through some cool down stretches and try to get your body relaxing back to normal, bring that heart rate down and get those muscles back to normal after a great workout with your A to Z words. There's one stretch where um, the person taking you through the cool down, she uses a wall stretch. If you have a wall handy, you can use the wall stretch. If you don't, it works just fine if you do those stretches with your arms in front of you, doing your stretches just in place. You can make that work just as well if you don't have the wall nearby you. All right. And then the very last link you will click on and I will pop back on and we will do our wrap up of the lesson and check in and see how everyone did with this great health activity today. So enjoy, watch those health videos, do each link in order. Make sure you click on all of them, follow through all of each link. The lesson should take most of your PE time if you're doing all of each link. Enjoy, work hard, and I will see you at the end.